Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the remote control and double Orchids item in the TC Fair event in Heartopia. So first, let's talk about what this item actually do. So first, the remote control. It will let you choose exactly what number that you want to roll from 1 to 6. So if you need a specific number to land on certain tiles, this item can be really useful. Meanwhile, for the double Orchids, will double the amount of orchids that you receive from the tiles that you pass through during the game. And then now let's talk about how to get them. First and the easiest way is through the exchange store. This one, just tap on the exchange store, and then in here just tap on this button at this reward button, and every day you can claim one random rewards from this button. You will receive either a remote control or double orchids. So make sure to check the exchange store on here and then just claim this reward every single day. And in here I want to try open my rewards, my daily rewards. Okay, in here I got the remote control. And the second way is through the GC Fair board itself, like this. So while playing the board game, if your character lands on the tile with this icon, the remote and orchids icon like this, you will get a chance to receive one of these two items. And just like the daily rewards, it's random, so you can receive either a remote control or double orchids. So if you want to collect more of this useful item, just remember to claim your daily exchange store rewards over here, and then just keep playing the TC Fair board until you land on these tiles. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. I hope this helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.